with the new 5 Series upon us, BMW has not only seen fit to add an acre-foot to the stalwart executive sports machine sea of alphanumatics but also to pair up another addition to the company's not-quite-M portfolio. Until the next M5 arrives, the M550i xDrive stands as the 5's range-topping machine. Boasting a twin-turbo 4.4-liter V8 making 456 horsepower and 480 pounds-to-foot of torque, the M550i slots in, power-wise, between the vaunted E39 M5's naturally aspirated V8 and the E60's nutty V10. It is, however, 104 horsepower south of the outgoing M5, leaving plenty of room for the next ultimate 5.2 on pass with relentless units of excess motive force. Because it's a car designed for normals who want a really nice, sporty sedan that will get them to the office during inclement weather, the M550i xDrive features an all-wheel drive system. One might think that makes it a bit more akin to Alpina's V6 xDrive Grand Coupe, which some of us found to be the finest 5.6 derivative of the F06/F10 generation of cars. BMW claims a 0 to 60 mph time of 4.0 seconds for the M550i, 0.3 seconds off the Alpina's pace. Like the V6, the M550i eschews BMW's M-oriented dual-clutch transmission in favor of a paddle-shifted 8-speed automatic. Rumors strongly suggest the next M5 will feature all-wheel drive, at which point we imagine Alpina will annex Bartter and steal all its torque. The rear biased AWD system spins standard 19-inch and wheels finished in matte Syrian grey metallic, or optional 20s in the same color. The dark finish, presumably, was chosen at least in part to show off the signature blue brake calipers. In any case, with either wheel choice, the adaptive M Sport suspension drops the body 0.39 inch closer to the ground. Outside, the M